The idea behind the playbook really comes from this notion that when you write something down and you step back and you look at it, you can assess it in a different sort of way. And we've taken this approach to how we run our business in every aspect of it. And so we had developed a playbook for how we go about developing brands in the 21st century. Many, but not all, of the crazy ideas that come out of Klick start in collaboration with our CEO, Rob Siegel. We have a tendency to start bouncing ideas back and forth as a group, and they kind of go bigger and bigger and bigger, and the next thing you know, we're making a giant playbook. We started talking about this about a year ago. We spent about 8 months bouncing around the ideas, not on a full-time basis in any means, but really sort of getting a really complicated idea explained really clearly takes a lot of iterations and takes a lot of time. So we worked on that for a number of months. The actual design process was about 6 weeks. We did the whole thing in about 6 weeks, and then the production was about 2 months. Part of the appeal of something like this is its limited nature, is that it's not everywhere and that it's not super duper available. So while I won't say for certain what the final number is going to be, we don't know at this point. We have had several thousand people express interest in requesting a copy of it. What we're really looking for is a moment of unexpected delight. Unexpected delight is a rarity in most of our lives, and we think that we can cause a positive interruption in somebody's day with this and cause them to have a little bit of a smile, a little bit of a moment of surprise.